So in this question, you have cos cube x. So you must be knowing that why do we actually need to use the substitution? Because if you look at this question, we cannot integrate this cos cube directly. So this integration by substitution is basically a technique that helps us to integrate those expressions that we cannot integrate with the normal techniques that we people know. Okay, so first of all, there is cos cube x given, but the substitution suggests this is sine x. So we need to know what is cos x. Okay, now can I say u square is sine square x? Can I say u square is 1 minus cos square x? Then I should be allowed to say that cos square x is 1 minus u square, and then cos x is the square root of 1 minus u square. You must know this. Okay, so this is going to become 1 minus u square, and then what is going to be the power on it when there is cos cube? Yes, जल्दी से बताओ यार. This is cos x, and I have
Cube, sir.
yeah, please. What the power?
Cube.
3 over 2.
Sir, 3 by 2.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. It is 3 by 2. Okay. Now you have to think about now this dx. Pehle we have changed this cos x. Now it's a turn of this dx. So now let's differentiate this with respect to x. So we have du by dx, that is equal to cos x. Okay. Sorry. Yes, that is going to be cos x. So this dx is going to be du over cos x. Okay. Acha, if I just had waited over here, then I would have saved some time. Lekin chalo, I am going to write it as du by, this is going to be the square root of 1 minus u square. Please, bachcho, you have to be with me. I have changed this cos x with this expression that we just found from here. Let me write it here as well. That this dx is going to be du over under root 1 minus u square. So you see that there shouldn't be anything that you're not understanding. We have to use this catalyst, this substitution here, to bring this cos cube x into a form in terms of u that we can really integrate. Okay, so far we had been given this substitution as u equal to sine x, but we were given this as cos. So using all those identities, manipulating this algebraically, I got the value for cos x, and then I have got the value for dx. Okay, now it's a turn of the limits. So you have u equal to sine x. So when your x is 0, this u is going to be sine 0. That means your u is going to be 0. So this is going to be 0 over here. Okay. Now when your x is pi by 2, so this is going to be u equal to sine pi by 2. So that means this u is going to be 1. So this limit which was from 0 to pi by 2, now these limits are from 0 to 1. साथ हो तुम लोग मेरे? People, you people are with me, or again you people are sleeping? I'm waiting, yaar. तुम लोग बताते भी नहीं
Sir,
हो.
सुन रहे हैं.
Okay, now you can see that we can simplify this. This all of this is cancelled. And what is the power left here? Tell me quickly. When you cancel this with this, what is the power left here? What is 3 over 2 minus 1 over 1? So I am not just going to write 1 here, okay? So that means now your question is this, if I had named it as I, so I for integral, not for intizar, okay? So I is going to be limit from 0 to 1, 1 minus u squared du. You see, there's a very Sharif kind of expression left here. So this is limit from 0 to 1. This is u, this is minus u cube over 3. You put the limits here, you get 1 minus 1 over 3, and your answer is going to be 2 over 3. Please ask me if there is any question.